Okay. The dogs. Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to another video. This one being a Tundra mod video. If you guys don't know, this is my 2023 Toyota Tundra Platinum, and I like to keep my vehicles very nice on both the outside and on the interior. And I also like to travel with my dogs. So whenever we go places, I like to travel with my dogs. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect the rear seats of your Tundra if you guys are looking for any sort of seat coverings or anything like that. Canvasback Liner has a made in America option for you guys that I want to showcase right now in this video. So to install the door card ones, it's super simple and easy. There are 3 tabs at the back and they have nice little felt on it, so when you put it inside the channel it doesn't scratch up your window. And then at the bottom portion of it too, you can see that there's little Velcro there that would just come undone. The sticky part, you would put it down here on your door if you elect to do that. I personally did not on our road trip. It's sticking really good on the Tacomas though, but just take these longer tabs, feed them kind of into the door channel, or the window channel I should say. Move them around. And then they can just sit in there like that. So if you want to do the Velcro, it would allow this to stay nice and shut. But if you have people sitting in the back and you forget to take these out, obviously you can't get the door handle, right? Because these are down. So, but that's how you install the side ones. Very, very easy. Now let's show you the actual seats. So the install of the Tundra bench seat cover is actually pretty simple. You just want to lay it out on your bench seat, and then you're going to undo the headrest there because there's this little buckle strap that is able to go around it to kind of hold it up into place. The Tundra headrests are just the worst sometimes. But anyways, you do up both the passenger side and the driver's side, and if you need to adjust it a little bit at the end, you could see the passenger side's a little lower. You could just pull up on the buckles to make it nice and even on the back seat of the bench seat back there. Now, after that, there's these little kind of pouches that just go in between the seats to hold that bottom piece into place, and this just Velcros right over it. And then at the very bottom of the bench, you can see the little bit of carpet that Toyota provides, and then Canvasback Liner just has a Velcro there. You put it into place and that secures the bottom down. So very easy install, guys, but I want to show you some of the cool features of these seats. So we have blue pinstriping around it. I really like that because it matches the platinum pinstriping. And then if you follow me down here, you could see down here that we have little cutouts for your seat belts. You can see them right here, which is nice. And two, if you want, these things completely unvelcro, and it also helps as to part of the install portion, because if you need to like lift the seats up individually over here, they completely unvelcro. So if you needed to lift a seat up, let's say this one, you could still lift the seats up. And then here's a closer look as to how they velcro right here on the back side of it, which is nice. There's also a zipper right here, so if you just, want to have this side up for some reason, you could just have this side up, and it does kind of hold. It would have been cool to have another one maybe around this headrest, but I would assume that if you're wanting these back here, you would want your whole seat covered, especially me, because with the dogs and everything. So I don't particularly see that. I don't know if there's an option on Canvasback's website, but I mean, maybe your headrest can cover it and hold it up like that. But they are adjustable. My wife and I figured that out on our road trip because one side was sagging pretty bad and it was coming apart. So one side was sagging pretty bad and we just adjusted it up here on the headrest. But it worked out really well, as you guys can see in our road trip right here. For dogs, we have a Husky and an Australian Shepherd. Huskies definitely shed. Australian Shepherds not so much, but we got the Canvasback liners back here. So they're here on the door card. They're also here on the rear seat, which is really nice. And then on that door card over there. And then I also have the little kick panels down here. But the dogs hung out back here and it protected my leather really freaking well. But these performed awesome once we got it cinched up around the headrest here. It velcros down here. Super nice to have for the dogs, and they just hung out back here and it was really nice. So holy crap, that was a lot of dog hair. You could see how easy it is though for it to get off this material, and there's 2 ways to go about it. You could either vacuum it like with a shop vac. This is good if it's still installed in the truck. I was cleaning it up before the video to install this all the way, but The easiest way I found is just use a lint roller. And if you're a dog owner or whatever, I guarantee you have a lint roller. So it just picks up all this hair nice and easily, and it's able to just get it off the Canvasback cargo liners. I think it's really like awesome how quickly it gets it all up. And you know, you may have to use a couple sheets of a lint roller, but it cleans up very easily. So it held out all the dog hair, which was nice, and the dog's claws not on the leather, which is a huge bonus, and it still retains as a seat. And another thing too I want to show you is it's kind of padded right here. So it's nice and padded too, so if you actually had people sit on it, obviously with no dog hair, they're nice padded seats, but they also help with rigidity, I guess, of not like moving that much on your leather. And then the last product that I got from them are these little kick panels right here. So it matches to the back of the seat really nicely. It Velcros to it, and again with that blue stitching, matching the platinum stuff is really nice. So that's good if you have kids with dirty feet, something like that. You don't want them kicking the bottom of your seats and all that, getting their mud all on this kind of like little fine carpet, but matches really well. The thing that I don't like, and it's not Canvasback Liners' fault, it's Toyota's fault. So you can see how when I undid the Velcro right there, just the cheap materials that Toyota uses on these trucks. So this carpet, it kind of frays just a little bit, but if you're just leaving it on the truck, you know, if you are gonna constantly have stuff back here or your dogs or something like that, you may just wanna leave this on and not constantly taking that on and off. My 4Runner does the same thing because Canvasback Liners Velcro is so thick, it kind of like peels up the back carpet on my cargo tray. But yeah, that's just something to be aware of. So guys, if you want to head over to their site and check this stuff out for your vehicle, there will be a 10% discount code in the description and in the pinned comment. Canvasback Liner was awesome to provide that to you guys. I've been working with them for years, since my 5th gen 4Runner, the old Tacoma, the new Tacoma, this Tundra. Their quality of products is awesome. They're made in America and they're a small business. And that's what I absolutely love promoting on this channel, and good products too, right? So in the description and the pinned comment for this product, guys, I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.